Hi, Natasha from the 1407 Planners, and I am going to set up using the sweater weather kit, and I'm going to turn this vinyl cover into a dashboard and use this brown cover from our other company, Tula 12. So the cover is just empty and ready to go, and I am going to make this fit in here so it can be used as a dash. A lot of times I use these as a cover as intended. They have the holes and I put the elastic in. However, I love this brown cover so much and I love this so much, and I think they look beautiful together. Then on top of that, I am going to use the kit, which comes with 10 papers, and we did a variety of them going vertically and horizontal, so everything's just very warm and fuzzy. And then the vellum has the sweater weather cozy fires falling leaves, as does the washi. And there's a sticky note, a scarf charm, a set of die cuts, and let's see, 2 journal cards. One says, reading a good book is like warmth for the soul, and some beautiful paths cannot be discovered without getting lost. And then a sticker sheet. This kit is available September 21st at noon Eastern Time and is during the PBC sale. As well as this cover, the vinyl cover, is available at the same time for the same sale. And my final setup is my brown or chocolate Tula 12 planner. I have the scarf charm from the sweater weather kit and a leaf charm, which will actually be in our Thanksgiving deco kit that's coming out later. I have my sticky notes just stuck in here. My little pups. I think she knew I was talking about her. My dash. And then I have my monthly, my weekly, my meal tracker, the other side of my dash, the sweater weather sassy, which has brown, a grayish, whitish speckle, and a pinkish speckle, paper, and a to-do list, that vinyl that I cut down, my fabric pocket from So Silly Baby that holds my Kindle, my bill tracker, my 2019 monthly, the rest of that vinyl cover, and for now I have in here the 1407ers pen, but I think I'm going to put in my fall Pen Gems pen designer from last year that I have. So that is my setup, and then we also have the little baby, the Teenie, which is 1.5 by 2, so it's really tiny, and I just did cute little art projects in it. I did that one upside down. So these are fun, quick little art projects. It's like you can just do them real fast and feel creative for a minute. I use a lot of stamps, stamp ink. This is a B6, and so then this is our Teenie. Thanks for watching, guys.